Hi, I'm standing on the Kumeyaw land, which is right next to the condo that you're going to be moving into. It's where the indigenous people lived on this land for thousands of years. And the key trail here is called Kaipai, which in their language means chief. And it's the chief trail in the Mission Trails community. We are 20 seconds from this trail. You can go to the left and to the right, where the other trail veers off into the mountains.
Even though you try to hide it, there's not much to figure out.
Hey, I'm glad you've joined me to see this premium condo. It's 990 square feet, 2-bedroom, 2-bath, at the very last building in the Highland Trails community. I'm telling you, it's right here, 20 seconds away from the trail. But I want you to come in now and see the place. Join me.
This time, oh, I want you to know that I just wanna say that I was wrong. I just wanna say that I was wrong. I know. And I just wanna say that I was wrong. Used to be so warm, those days I try not to remember. I got lost in the storm of my ways. Couldn't pull myself together, and I'll be the first to tell you, you were right. Oh, you were right, oh, you were right. Don't try to say I'm sorry this time, but I want you to know that